Greetings, my name is Carl. I'm going to help you today with setting up your notifications in your Brightspace course. Now here I am in my Brightspace course, so if I go up to my name here and click on it, I will get this drop down menu and I can go to notifications. Click on that. Now right here at the top, the Pulse app is an application that you can drop down onto your phone, which might make accessing your courses via your phone or receiving some of these notifications a little bit easier through the application. The other contact method you want to check is to make sure that the email notifications can be sent to your UNE email address right here. If it's not, just click here and change your email settings. The summary activity, that'll essentially send you a summary daily, weekly, or never about all the activity that occurs in each of your courses. It can result in some extra emails, so make sure you experiment with that. And then down here is the sort of meat of the notification area. You can see this whole list of items on which you can receive notifications via email. Depending on how you set this up, things you might want to be kept abreast of that are happening in your course. And a couple of the big ones here are the announcements tools. You can see that I have these four checked here. The announcement tool will let you know when an announcement's been made in your course or it's been updated, so that you'll get that immediate ping on your phone or via your email, so that you can go and see what the announcement is as your professor is keeping you up to date. Another thing that might be helpful are your assignment tools. You'll get a ping when your assignment and the feedback has been released, so you can see what your grade is. Or one that can be really helpful here is to know when an assignment is due and it's just a couple of days away. So that'll kind of give you a heads up to like, oh yeah, I got to remember to do that. And then again, you can scroll down here and see that there's also a quiz update for when a quiz is just a couple of days away, which in Brightspace could be a quiz or a test. And then of course, if you wanted to keep when grade items are released, maybe you got a big paper coming out, you can check those and make sure that you get those updates as they come. And again, you can just uncheck or check these to receive the notifications that you want. And remember, if you check too many, you'll get a lot of emails. If you just check a few, you'll get the updates that are most important to you. You can also customize these notifications a little bit, allowing to get some notifications to your grade, so that'll include that grade. And then you can also here with this bottom area, exclude some of the courses. Perhaps you're getting too much email from one course. You can manage which courses you're going to include or exclude in this notification process. But one thing I would not recommend is getting any of these content items, sending them notification as a result of that. Because what can happen, a professor could go into the course, correct a simple spelling mistake or something along those lines in the content, even add a period, and you will get a notification. So you want to make sure that you're not being overburdened by these emails as they come from the system, but it's a great way to be aware of the things that are important to you. And that's as simple as that. Once you've set all your items exactly where you'd like them to be, make sure that you click this save button down here, and you will be good to go. And at any time, if you want to go up and make some adjustments because you're getting too few or too many emails, just go back up to your name, back to notifications, and you can edit as you need. And this will apply to all the courses you've set it up for. Hope that helps. Be well and have a great day.